What are you doing?
I'm remote controlling. I love this toy you got me. This is awesome. I'm getting better with it too. The brakes don't. Oh, that. Sometimes the brakes are a little slow about. See, I hit the brake. Hit the brake. Hit the brake. Hit the brake.
Make him go left. Uh-oh, he's stuck.
It's the wheels are stuck. Now, there he goes. Well, I think I got a wheel shorter than the other or something. See?
In all seriousness, we do not know what this bug is.
It's my new toy.
No, it's not.
I know what it is. And thank you for getting this for me. This is awesome. Oh, boy.
Kind of creepy. This is how big he is. You gonna kill him?
My toy? I bet that thing was 25 bucks. Crazy? I'm trying to get him to your foot.
If he hits my foot, I'm stepping on him.
Break! Break!